E eu espero realmente que vocês edifiquem essa família, esse casamento no Senhor, na rocha. Porque a Bíblia fala que tudo aquilo que é edificado na rocha, pode vir as dificuldades, pode vir o tempo, seja o que for, permanece.
I barely recognize the pair of eyes staring back at me in the mirror. But there was a day when I was take me back again. When I was 16 with an open heart, windows down in a beat up car. When I was down and the world was young and she was beautiful. She was beautiful. She was beautiful. How do we end up like this? Living lives that we don't care about. Too busy fixing things on computer screens while the grass grows green. Me, I'm screaming out. There was a day that I was free.
Nós voltamos aqui de especial na nossa vida e falei que ia esperar o tapete vermelho, tá chegando a hora e a gente vai ser muito feliz.
I was 16 with an open heart, windows down in a beat up car. When I was down, the world was young and she was beautiful. 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 There was a day when I was free, not a care that I could see. So good I barely could believe it was happening. Oh, take me back again. When I was 16 with an open heart, windows down in a beat up car. When I